Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
Indian businessman Mukesh Ambani is worth a staggering $108 billion. The chairman and biggest stakeholder of Reliance Industries Ltd. RIL, the most valuable corporation in India, based on market value, and a Fortune Global 500 firm, is Mukesh Ambani. His story of expansion, creativity, and strategic vision makes him one of the richest people on the planet. Ambani's father, Dhirubhai Ambani, who established Reliance Industries, mentored him early in his professional life. The company's initial focus was on polyester and textiles, but Mukesh was crucial in helping to diversify its line of business. Reliance expanded into petrochemicals, oil and gas exploration, and refining under his direction, greatly increasing the company's earnings and market share. Ambani's career reached a significant turning point in 2002 with the founding of Reliance Communications Limited. This was the group's first venture into the telecommunications industry, which would go on to become a significant source of income for the company. But his greatest accomplishment in this field was the 2016 debut of Jio, which happened years later. By providing reasonably priced 4G services, quickly amassing a sizable client base, and altering the dynamics of the market, Jio transformed the Indian telecom industry. Mukesh Ambani's approach has consistently revolved around substantial financial commitments, technological advancements, and a determined pursuit of market share. His investment at the world's largest refining hub, the Jamnagar refinery, demonstrated this, greatly enhancing Reliance's capabilities in the petrochemical industry. In addition, Reliance has expanded into digital services and retail under Ambani's direction, developing a more diverse company strategy. His vision for the digital sphere has drawn large international investments, as well as collaborations with well-known tech behemoths. Childhood. Bolsh. On April 19, 1957, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani was born in the British Crown territory of Aden, which is now Yemen. He has two sisters and a younger brother. The family returned to India in 1958, and his father established a spice and textile selling company in Mumbai. After graduating from Mumbai's Hillgrange High School, he went on to the Institute of Chemical Technology, previously the University Department of Chemical Technology, to earn a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering. A career at Reliance Industries. When the Indian government allowed the private sector to begin producing polyester filament yarn FI in 1980, Ambani's father sought for a license to establish a FI production facility. He was granted the license despite competition from more than 40 other businesses. Ambani, the family's eldest son, was forced to leave his Stanford MBA school to assist in the construction of the FI factory by his father, who preferred practical experience to classroom instruction. After the demise of executive director Rasikbhai Miswani and the stroke of his father in 1986, Ambani and his brother Anil took over the company's management. With an emphasis on information and communications technology IT efforts, he founded Reliance Infocom Limited, which is now Reliance Communications Limited. When the business started making significant investments in petrochemicals and oil refineries, Ambani, then 24 years old, was also assigned to oversee the building of the Patalganga petrochemical facility. The absence of a will specifying how the family's economic empire was to be divided after their father passed away in 2002 from a second stroke caused animosity between Ambani and his brother Anil. After their mother intervened, the business was divided in half. The Bombay High Court gave Ambani permission to take over Reliance Industries Limited and Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited in December 2005. Following the company's split, Ambani oversaw the construction of Jamnagar, India's largest grassroots petroleum refinery in 2010, which could produce 660,000 barrels per day, or 33 million tonnes annually. He entered into numerous business initiatives and alliances to further grow his empire. Following his announcement in 2013 about the potential for a joint venture with Bharti Airtel to establish digital infrastructure for India's 4G network, he became deeply involved in the country's transition to 4G. In 2014, he went on to declare that he will provide Rs 1.8 trillion to various enterprises over the following 3 years, with the intention of introducing 4G broadband services in 2015. June 2016 saw the introduction of Reliance's Jio, another Ambani-led venture, under the Life 4G smartphone brand. By then, it had grown to become India's third largest selling mobile phone brand. The biggest retailer in India is Reliance Retail Ltd, which is another Reliance company. The Harvard Business Review named Ambani the fifth best performing CEO in the world in 2010. Over the years, he has led several Reliance initiatives which have contributed significantly to his own net worth. In February 2018, Bloomberg's Robin Hood Index calculated that Ambani's personal wealth at the time could support the Indian federal government's entire operations for 20 days. As of 2016, he was the only Indian businessman to be listed among the world's most influential individuals and has held the title of richest person in India for the previous 10 years. In July 2018, he overtook Alibaba Group Executive Chairman Jack Massachusetts to become the richest person in Asia. Allegations of criminal offenses. In February 2014, a first information report was filed against Ambani, claiming that he had committed crimes. According to the research, there are anomalies in the KG Basin natural gas price. Additional business and activity. NAC. After paying $111.9 million to acquire the Mumbai Indians of the Indian Premier League, Ambani was dubbed the world's richest sports team owner in 2008. In addition, he founded the Indian Super League and Indian Football League. Ambani is also a former director of the bank and the first non-American to serve on the board of Bank of America. In addition, he is the president of Gandhinagar, Gujarat's Pandit Dayal Petroleum University. Individual life. Ambani wed Nita Ambani in 1985 after his father saw Nita perform in a dance show and made the decision to set up their marriage. The couple has 2 sons and 1 daughter together. On her 44th birthday in 2007, Ambani gave his wife a $60 million Airbus A319 as a gift. The 180-passenger Airbus has bespoke furnishings for a living area, bedroom, skybar, jacuzzi, Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and office. Numerous honors have been bestowed upon him, such as the Ernst Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2000, the Businessman of the Year Award 2010 from Financial Chronicle, the Global Leadership Award 2010 from the Business Council for International Understanding, and the Ultimate Gold Medal 2016 from the Chemical Heritage Foundation. In addition, the MS. University of Baroda has awarded him an honorary doctorate of science. The Antilia Mansion in Mumbai. Mukesh and his family live at Mumbai's Antilia, a private 27-story residence worth over $1 billion. It is said that he contributed $1 billion of his own money to the building's development. Because of the complex's immense size, 600 employees are needed to manage and keep up with its many amenities, which include 3 helipads, a 160-car garage, a private movie theater, a swimming pool, and a fitness center.